Is it better to save or invest? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a question that I get asked a lot. Is it better to save or invest your money? First, let's define what we mean by saving and investing. Saving means putting your money into a savings account, a CD, or another low-risk, low-return option. Investing, on the other hand, means putting your money into stocks, bonds, real estate, or other options that have the potential for higher returns, but also come with more risk. So, which one should you do? The answer is both. Saving is important for short-term goals like an emergency fund or a down payment on a house. It's also important to have some cash on hand in case of unexpected expenses. But if you only save your money and don't invest, you're missing out on the potential for your money to grow over time. Investing, on the other hand, is important for long-term goals like retirement. The stock market has historically returned around 10% per year, which means that your money has the potential to double every 7 to 8 years. But it's important to remember that investing also comes with more risk. So, what's the best approach? The key is to find a balance between saving and investing that works for you. Start by setting up an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Then, focus on investing for the long term. A good rule of thumb is to invest at least 10 to 15% of your income. And remember, it's never too early or too late to start saving and investing. Whether you're just starting your career or approaching retirement, it's important to have a plan in place. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on money matters. See you in the next video.